Very good afternoon, everyone. This is Dr. Logesh Yuvraj from Chennai. I'm a family physician. I'm practicing more than 7 years here in Chennai. This is on behalf of World Health, the World Heart Day. I will take this opportunity to discuss on what blood pressure is and how to prevent high blood pressure. My precise topic is about understanding hypertension. And in this day, I'm very happy to tell you the things about the hypertension. Usually, everyone would like to have healthy or normal blood pressure, but what exactly that it means? Basically, each time when heart beats, it pumps blood into the blood vessels. This creates pressure against the wall of the blood vessel. This is called blood pressure. Normally in a healthy person, it rises and falls throughout the day. But when blood pressure remains high for a long time, it and is left untreated, it can lead to serious health complications. In general, persistent increase in blood pressure higher than normal blood pressure is known as an hypertension. And this is a basic knowledge about the hypertension. And now I will tell you some points about the hypertension. I'll so that to remember, I will condense it to 10 points. Now I'll give you some more introduction about the hypertension. I'll go with the points. High blood pressure usually develops over time. It can happen because of unhealthy lifestyle choice like not having enough regular physical activities, obesity, smoking, high alcohol consumption, and stress. Other risk factors includes age, family history of high blood pressure, excess salt intake, and also a fatty food. Moving on, hypertension does not have any obvious signs and symptoms like an asymptomatic. The patient might have an hypertension, but when that does not have any other complaints for hypertension. But this is usually called a silent killer. Measuring a blood pressure is the only way to know whether a person has a high blood pressure or not. If a person is experiencing some of these symptoms, then their blood pressure checked. Okay, healthy or a normal blood pressure should be lower than 120 by 80 usually, or it can also read as 120 over 80 millimeter mercury. If blood pressure level is or more than the 140 by 90 millimeter mercury, then the person has hypertension. If person has an BP level higher than this, then he or she might be at the risk of developing severe heart disease, and the risk can be prevented and reduced by taking steps towards the healthier lifestyles. And so let's take some looks. I am looks to this strategy one by one. First, now as I told, we'll go by 10 points. First, regular exercise and physical activity. Everyone will ask when we get an hypertension, what is the prevention method and what we can do to prevent that. First one is a regular exercise and the physical activity. Exercise can have a drug-free approach to lowering the high blood pressure. Regular physical activities makes a person's heart stronger. Consistent exercise also help you maintain a healthy weight, which in my opinion is an important way to control blood pressure. One should aim for at least 30 minutes of aerobic exercise most most days of weeks, so that high blood pressure can reduce by doing regular exercise. And structured exercise such as brisk walking, jogging, and swimming can also help. This is the first point. First point is regular exercise and the physical activity. Second one is a healthy diet. As an healthy diet, first we'll go for DASH. DASH is nothing but dietary approach to the stop hypertension. This is shortly we call DASH. DASH is nothing but the low fatty diet, fruits, vegetables, and grains according to your physical fitness. You should adjust that. So that these study has shown that by taking a regular proper diet for the hypertension, it can also reduce the blood pressure more than 11 millimeter in case of hypertension. And second point in diet history is that reducing sodium in your diet. In this study, what they are told, by reducing the salt intake and sodium during our food habits, it is also reduced by about 5 to 6 millimeter if you have high blood pressures. Reducing sodium in your diet, if possible, choose low sodium alternative to the foods and beverages. You normally buy eats pure processed food. Most sodium is added during processing, so you can eat natural products. Third point is quit smoking. Stopping smoking helps your blood pressure return to normal. Quitting smoking can effectively reduce your risk of heart disease and improves your overall health. And fourth point is about regular blood pressure monitoring. Usually, what we have, what is going on? when hypertension has been detected, everyone goes to the doctors and keep on checking for an. But it's not possible for every individual to check daily a routine hypertension at the clinic level. So one can buy an simple routine monitoring BP apparatus in our house. You can also monitor diurnally by morning or night time, so that when there is a fluctuation, you can observe it. According to that, you can diet better. According to that, you can do some regular exercise, and also we can go with the further uh, durational variation BP also can be managed. And fifth point is stress management. This is one of the major management of the hypertension. I prefer to do this one because 80% of people are only hypertensive because of this one. We should be learn how to relax and manage stress can improve emotional, physical health and lower high blood pressure. Stress management technique include exercising, listening to the music, focusing on something calm and peaceful and meditating. This is also includes the financial management and your administrative management. Everything will comes to the stress management. So this is I prefer mostly this stress manager. Without a stress manager, one can't able to control the hypertension in some extent. Adherent to the medicines. This is the last point I'm going to do it. Adherent to medicine is a medicine to lowering blood pressure may be recommended by a doctor if your blood pressure is consistently high, usually at or above the 140 by 90. Adherent to medicine is very important as it controls your blood pressure regularly. At last, I would like to suggest you that there is nothing more precise than having a fit and healthy life. Adapting to the healthy lifestyles can help you to enjoy a long and healthy life. High blood pressures can be prevented as well as controlled in many ways. It is very much possible to maintain normal blood pressure levels with regular monitoring and preventive measures. And last thing I'm telling for controlling the hypertension and understanding hypertension is that the must and core six points to that. I will once again rewind it at 6 point. First one, regular exercise and physical activity comes first. Second, healthy diet. And third one is quit smoking. And fourth, regular blood pressure monitoring. Fifth, stress management. And sixth one is adherent to the medicines. Thank you, one and all. And thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity for me. Thank you.